What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Noland here. All right, so for my almost funny joke of the day, what do you get when you mix a dog with a calculator? So again, what do you get when you mix a dog with a calculator? It's a friend you can count on. Oh, that was terrible. It's not easy being green. Oh, you like that, Kermit the Frog? All right, guys, so today I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to do a second video on adding and subtracting, solving one-step equations. So as a quick little reminder, you're trying to isolate the variable, which is the letter. You're trying to just get it by itself. How do you get the letter by itself? You do the inverse operation. So the inverse of adding is to subtract. The inverse of subtract is to add. That's literally all we're doing. Now, adding and subtracting integer rules. We're going back to the beginning of the school year. So when you are adding or subtracting integers, if the signs are the same, you keep the sign and add the numbers. If the signs are different, keep the sign of the larger number, then subtract the numbers. So here comes example 1. We're trying to get x by itself, but attached to it is this plus 3. So what is the inverse or opposite of adding 3? Good, subtract 3. Now what you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. So it's like a mirror image. 3 minus 3, that's a zero pair. It zeroes out. I'm left with my x. Now look at this. The signs are the same. So if the signs are the same, keep the sign and add the numbers. So 5 plus 3 is 8. There's your answer. Done. Example 2. X minus 4 equals negative 3. Again, we're trying to get x by itself, but attached to it is this minus 4. What's the inverse or opposite of subtracting 4? Add 4. Again, what you do to one side of the equal sign, do to the other. Negative 4 plus 4 is zero pair. Zero's out. It's gone. Leaves you with an x. Signs are different. So if the signs are different, keep the sign of the larger number. So 4 is larger and it's positive. So the answer is positive. And then subtract the numbers. 4 minus 3 is 1. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. We're on a roll, guys. Example 3. X take away 8 equals 4. What do you think I should do here? Because I think I need to isolate the x by doing the inverse of subtracting 8, which is to add 8. Again, what you do to one side, do to the other. 8 take away 8 is a zero pair. Zero's out. Leaves you with the x. Oh, the signs are the same. So it stays. The sign stays. So it's positive. 8 plus 4 is 12. You're like, Mr. Noland, this is easy. Come on, give us something challenging. Not yet. We're getting there. All right, I lied. Here's the challenge. Oh, look at this. We got a variable on the right side. If you look at all the other examples, the variable is on the left side. Guys, that's because we're used to having the variable on the left side. So you know what we're going to do here? We're going to rewrite the equation so the variable's on the left side. Notice how this x is positive. Notice how the 9 is also positive. There you go. I just rewrote it. So that's my first step. I just want to rewrite this in correct form. All right, now we can solve it. The inverse of adding 9 is to subtract 9. 9 take away 9 is a zero pair, goes away. X comes down. Signs are different, so we're going to keep the sign of the larger number. 16 is larger, so my answer is positive because it is positive. And now subtract the numbers. 16 take away 9 is 7. Now we got one more. We're going to graph a solution on a number line. Oh, we got a graph. I know. We got a graph. All right, let's solve first. Inverse of adding 4 is to subtract 4. 4 take away 4 zeros out. 10 minus 4 is 6. So guys, on an equation, your answer is equal to only one number. So if it asks you to graph it on a number line, you go to your solution and you just put a closed dot there. That's it. You just graphed the solution. Done. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.